Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your calendar with Google Takeout, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Takeout by typing takeout.google.com in the address bar. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Once you're on the Google Takeout page, you'll see a list of data types available for export. Locate the section labeled Calendar. Uncheck all other options if you only want to back up your calendar data. Make sure the box next to Calendar is checked. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Next Step button. On the next page, you can choose your preferred file type for the export. Select the file type and size option that suits your needs. You can choose to receive a download link via email or save the file to your Google Drive or Dropbox. After making your selections, click on the Create Export button. Google will begin the process of gathering your calendar data. This may take some time, depending on the size of your calendar and the amount of data. Once the export is completed, you'll receive an email with a link to download your calendar backup if you chose that option. Click the link in the email to download your calendar data. Extract the files from the downloaded archive, if necessary. You can now access your calendar backup in a format that can be easily imported to another calendar application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.